IGD, this is your 20 kilowatt of grid inverter. Now we make an automatic switch test between battery and the grid for you. The DC input connect with battery, AC input connect with grid, AC output connect with our load. This is our DC input current meter. This is AC input voltage meter, AC input current meter. The AC output waveform. Our inverter are working now. You can see pure sine wave. Now, if we turn off AC output, you can see without waveform. Turn on AC output. It is with high quality pure sine wave. If we turn off the DC input, you can see without input current and AC input current. With AC input current, inverter are working from AC grid and also with high quality pure sine wave. Turn on DC input. You can see DC input and DC input with current almost from battery power and with high quality pure sine wave. This is our DC power source. You can regard it as our battery. It can adjust battery voltage. The AC input voltage is about 236 volts. It will rectified to DC voltage about 325 volts. You can see our DC voltage is about 344 volts. It's higher AC input voltage. Now we reduce the DC voltage lower than the AC input rectified DC voltage. Because DC voltage is lower than AC rectified voltage, you could see DC input current is little, AC input current is higher. Inverter work most from AC grid power.